Hey there, and welcome. Today we're diving into something super exciting: how you can start trading stocks, bonds, and ETFs using online brokerage platforms. Whether you're looking to grow your savings, explore a side hustle, or just learn something new, trading online has never been easier or more accessible. So grab a coffee, sit back, and let's break it down. All right, first up, what exactly are we talking about? Stocks are basically tiny pieces of a company that you can own. When that company grows, your share of it grows too. Plus, some companies even pay you dividends, kind of like a reward for owning their stock. Bonds are like IOUs. You're lending your money to a company or government, and in return, they pay you interest. It's low risk and steady. ETFs, or exchange traded funds, are a combo platter. They're bundles of stocks or bonds, giving you instant diversification without having to buy a million different things. Got it? Great. Let's move on to how you can actually start trading. Now, if you're wondering where to trade, here are some of the top platforms that make it easy for beginners and even pros. Trading 212. This one's a game changer. Why? It's commission free, meaning you won't lose a chunk of your profits to fees. Plus, it's super beginner friendly and lets you start with as little as $1. That's less than your morning coffee. Fidelity. If you love doing your research, this is your playground. It's packed with tools to help you make informed decisions and also offers commission free trading for US stocks and ETFs. Interactive brokers. This one's perfect if you're thinking long term or want access to global markets. They've got competitive pricing and tools for both beginners and seasoned investors. Getting started is ridiculously easy. Here's what you need to do: pick your platform, choose one that fits your goals and comfort level. If you're new, Trading 212 is a fantastic choice. Set up an account. This takes a few minutes. You'll need some basic info like your name, ID, and proof of address. Fund your account, deposit some cash to start trading. And remember, with platforms like Trading 212, you can begin with as little as $1. Yes, $1, no excuses. All right, let's talk money. Trading stocks, bonds, and ETFs can be incredibly rewarding. Stocks and ETFs, for example, can grow your investment significantly over time if you make smart decisions. Bonds are a bit more stable, so they're great for people who prefer steady, predictable returns. And here's the best part: you don't need a ton of cash to start. Platforms like Trading 212 let you test the waters with small amounts, so you can learn, experiment, and grow without feeling overwhelmed. Look, the sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. Thanks to these online platforms, investing isn't just for Wall Street pros anymore. It's for you, me, and anyone with a smartphone or a laptop. So, whether you're saving for a big goal, looking to build passive income, or just curious about the market, there's no better time to start than now. One last thing: investing does come with risks. You could lose some or all of your investment, but with the right approach, research, and tools, you can make it work for you. All right, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which platform you're thinking about trying. And hey, if you've already started trading, share your experience. I'd love to hear about it. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.